Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I'm not sure which part this is. Hopefully it's the last part. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do except for I have a needle nose little container with black in it. And my idea is to continue where I left off as long as the needle nose will deliver the paint. And it seems to be doing a pretty good job of that so far. And I've been working on this for a while. And this is what I consider embellishment. And I can't have perfection, so I'm going to take what I get and try and keep my hand out of leaning into it. And I don't really think it needs all that much more. I'm not sure it needed that at all, but I need to finish this. I believe what's in my bottle is not just straight fluid acrylic, but it's probably got some black. Excuse me, it's got some carbon black from Golden and pouring mediums in there. And it's going to be an interesting process trying to keep my hand out of this. All the way through grade school, all the time in art, I was having trouble with that. I'm just picking a part that appeals to me. Trying to keep a steady hand. Adding a few outlines. I feel like I'm really close to what I wanted to accomplish. Just like I said, just picking places that appeal to me. Now everywhere you put a black line, it's going to recede some. Kind of looks like I already stuck my hand in something. But I don't remember doing that over here. So I'm going to just outline that. And trust myself to not do that again. And I'm not looking for perfection. Very happy to have my glasses on. I'm going to try and figure out when to stop. It's definitely more like a paisley than anything else. I'm not very talkative because I've got to be focused in order to get lines down. I'm really, really close to what I want. I know I could probably fill one of these with gold and go back over things at some future time. I don't mind filling a few areas with some texture. Mostly I'm trying to focus on not sticking my hand in. I could probably fill a whole lot of places with little black dots if I were of a mind to. Or add some little stripes. This has been sitting in my studio for months, just waiting for me to have a chance to get it done. Figure any place that the paint sort of pushes the needle nozzle out, it's just sort of a meant to be addition. Pushing is a little easier than pulling, surprisingly. Except for right there. That doesn't seem to be too difficult. You could really add any kind of lines. They don't have to follow the original. For any reason. Wow, I'm getting really close. How many times have I said that now, I wonder? Sorry, there's no music, and I'm not talking, and I just realized I was completely silent. Because I just fill in little areas. I've decided to just go with the flow, and whatever marks I get are what's supposed to be there. And I know I could work on this for an infinitesimal amount of time. It's basically Zentangle with a needle tip. Wow, I think that's close. But I keep saying that and changing my mind. Sometimes an artist's painting is never done. I think there is almost enough black in there. For me to be happy, though. Yep, I've given up talking in favor of finishing. I can't actually even explain fully what where my choices are coming from. It's basically like any doodle. You're following your instinct at the moment. It's instinctivism, which is one of the words I've been using along with spontaneous art and other things on my Instagram. Do I see anything else that really needs help? I'd probably be better off coming back even one more time when what I've already just added is dry, and that's what I would recommend if you're going to do something like this. You do it in stages and let it dry in between so you keep your hand out of it. I kind of feel like I might be getting the hang of it too. I think I'm happy. I'm going to keep working while I tell you guys that I do sell my artwork, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill. Not on this type of work, I don't believe. What else can I tell you? My usual paint pouring recipe will probably be under the video, or videos. And I'll be very surprised if anybody watches this, to tell you the truth. That was probably a mistake. I just led the eye right off the canvas. I'm good. Okay, so if you watch my videos longer, or all the way through, you help me out. And there's a monthly drawing available for those who might want to contribute $10 to help keep the studio and art supplies. And you'll find whatever that is on the end screens, on the exhibition video that I put there every month or so. And usually the drawing is in the third week of the month, but you can never tell. Things are kind of odd recently, and I get the feeling it's probably not all that welcome a scenario. So yeah, I could just keep playing all afternoon right here, right now. What else? I should read my card. I said I give lessons. I said I sell my art. Check your subscriptions. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the contributions you've made to keep me painting all this time. Check my... Oh, give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. If you could manage that, that would be awesome. The longer you watch the videos, the more likely you are to help me stay at YouTube. I'd like to stay. Yes, I'm probably still going to keep going, but I'm going to call this done no matter what. I'm not coming back for another video. I think there's like 2 or 3 other videos. You'll know better than me by the time you see this. I love you guys. There's almost 86,000 of you. And check my channel playlists for less boring videos. 1,200 maybe even. And you'll find genres. This will be in abstracts. And you'll find 10 lists of 100, and you'll also find 13 lists of genres. So I love you guys. Take care. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you to check for tomorrow's video on my channel, on the community board, or on Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students. And if I added a few more dots here and there, you'd understand. Wouldn't you? I think that might be necessary. Because I like it. should just work until you're gone. All right, I'm calling it. I am? No, I'm not. Now I am. Maybe just one more area. All right, I'm going to try and call that good. I might put a couple dots of gold in here though. I am just going to work till you're gone.